Have you ever thought about how the foods in your kitchen could be secret treasures for a healthier life? Learning how food can help prevent cancer is important for staying healthy. Some foods have special qualities that can lower your risk of cancer by protecting your cells and boosting your immune system. Including these foods in your meals not only keeps you well but also supports a balanced, healthy diet. Interested in lowering your cancer risk through dietary choices? Let's explore some of these foods that are known for fighting cancer and see how they can be good for you. Number 1. Garlic. Garlic, known for its strong smell and culinary uses, has been valued for centuries for its potential health benefits, including possibly fighting cancer. It contains allicin, a compound with antioxidants and anti-proliferative properties studied for its effects on cancer cells. Next, tomatoes. Tomatoes are well known for their high lycopene content, a powerful antioxidant. Lycopene has been studied for its potential to lower the risk of prostate cancer. Research suggests that eating more tomatoes and tomato-based products can reduce prostate cancer risk. Number 3. Turmeric. Turmeric, known for its vibrant color and unique taste, contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and potential anti-cancer effects. Studies indicate that curcumin can hinder the growth of cancer cells in lung, breast, and prostate cancers. Number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is well known for its health benefits, thanks to a powerful compound called sulforaphane. This phytochemical has shown promise in fighting cancer, particularly breast and colorectal cancers. Studies reveal that sulforaphane can inhibit cancer cell growth, potentially reducing breast cancer cell size and number by up to 75%. Number 5. Carrots. Carrots are known for their health benefits, especially for fighting cancer. They're packed with beta-carotene and antioxidants that help lower the risk of different cancers. Eating carrots regularly has been linked to a 26% lower risk of stomach cancer and an 18% lower risk of prostate cancer. Number 6. Beans. Beans are packed with fiber, which is great for your digestive system and can lower your risk of colorectal cancer. People who eat more cooked beans, especially those with a history of colorectal cancer, are less likely to have the cancer come back. Number 7. Berries. Have you discovered the amazing health benefits that various berries offer beyond their natural sweetness and vibrant colors? Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors and health benefits. These antioxidants help protect cells from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals, potentially lowering the risk of cancer. Number 8. Nuts. Nuts are loaded with nutrients and special compounds that can help prevent cancer. Research shows that eating nuts regularly can lower the risk of cancers like colorectal, pancreatic, stomach, and endometrial cancer. Each type of nut offers unique benefits. For example, Brazil nuts are rich in selenium, which helps fight off harmful substances and may prevent cancer. Adding nuts to your daily meals not only keeps you satisfied and energized, but also gives your body essential nutrients to defend against cancer naturally. Number 9. Cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just tasty, it also brings health benefits, including potential anti-cancer effects. Research suggests that compounds in cinnamon can slow the growth of cancer cells and even induce their death. For example, cinnamon extract has shown promise in reducing the growth of head and neck cancer cells and shrinking tumors in studies. Number 10. Olive oil. Olive oil, a key part of the Mediterranean diet, is praised for its health benefits, including potential protection against cancer. Studies suggest that regular olive oil consumption is linked to a lower risk of breast cancer and digestive system cancers. This is likely due to its high levels of monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants like oleocanthal and oleuropein. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties and can shield cells from oxidative damage, potentially lowering the risk of cancer. Using olive oil in cooking and as a salad dressing is a delicious and easy way to add this beneficial oil to your daily meals. Incorporating foods like garlic, tomatoes, turmeric, broccoli, carrots, beans, nuts, berries, cinnamon, olive oil into your diet can help reduce cancer risk. These foods are rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and important nutrients that support overall health and may protect against various types of cancer. Including these nutritious options in your meals can be a tasty and effective way to boost your body's natural defenses. Did you find this guide informative and helpful? We value your feedback and invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for watching and learning about these cancer-fighting foods. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. Hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Stay healthy and take care. See you next time.